Alright, so we're driving down the road here and I've got a warning come up on my safety SAM telling me about my PSI reading for my rear tyre of the caravan. So I'm going to find a spot now to pull over.
Here.
No, that's too short. Find a spot now to pull over and check my tyres. It's saying I've gone down to 22 PSI from what I can read. 23 PSI. So I need to pull over and have a bit of a check, see what's going on here. The system is actually really, really useful. It's been pretty good. And up to this point I've been relying on it, and I'm still relying on it, and now it's proving its worth. So I'm going to pull over and check if this is accurate, and we'll have a look when we come back through. As soon as I find a spot, which is decent at the moment, yeah, it's still going down, so I better pull over.
Yeah, where though?
Look. As soon as I find a spot, I'll pull over. At the moment, there's not a lot here. And we'll get the old compressor out and pump her up and see if it's just a leak or a something in the tyre.
Yeah. There's literally nowhere to stop on here.
No, there's nowhere to stop at the moment. We're still driving along, and the tyre, I have to find even just a safe location. And yeah, we're going down. So I need to find a location to just pull over somewhere where I'm not going to get hit in the back or the front. So the struggle is real, peeps. Oh, it's warning us, telling you the warning system coming through the music-y thing. Yep, sweet. Grab the gear out and... Oops.
I have to say, considering all the dust around the truck, inside overall, like mechanical stuff,
It's been really good, eh?
it's actually been incredibly good. Like all dust. Hey, you want to twist it
I'm twisting it now, it's okay. See, look at that, look at that. Like a boss. Yep, it's definitely down, so it's accurate.
This wheel must have a slow leak.
I think so. This particular wheel, in the morning, we've had to check it a couple of times, and it's definitely having a slow leak, so the system is working. Safety Sam, you're a legend. Oh, Safety Sam, you're a legend. Simple as that. Little Bluetooth things, and they make it all the way to my phone. Lift it up. They make it all the way to my car with no extender, so it's like a really cool thing. Like, it just makes it. I don't know how it gets there. That little thing sends a signal to my car 8 metres away.
Or to your phone.
To my phone, sorry, 8 metres away. I think it's pretty cool. Cool, we'll get this done and we'll meet you back in the car. Now you can see here, it's still saying 23 PSI. Now I've pumped it up and I know it's now high at the right level. So I'm gonna go for a drive and we're gonna drive along. It takes probably a minute or two for that to re-come up at the right pressure. But I tell you what, and I don't get paid by this guy. That's really bright. I don't get paid by this guy, and we've got no affiliation. I just really like this product. It's just, I've had the other TPMSs, and it's all on little machines, and they beep a lot, but they're bloody complicated. This is just so easy. You just do it, click it, set it, and go, and it just warns you, and I like it. So I'm now going to drive along, and I will show you when it comes back online. So let's do that. Here we go, it's now back to blue. So it took a minute or so to re-register and it's all done. So the pressures are now all good. So I'll check that again this afternoon, but overall it seems to be working like a bloody charm. So happy days.